All right, I wanted to film a follow-up video to my first video just to show you what's going to happen if finally the little plastic tab gave up whenever I tried to pop the valve out with the needle nose pliers. I've already done this 2 or 3 times, so I'm sure the plastic was getting fatigued from me doing that. I was careful, like I said in my first video, but inevitably the plastic tab um, broke off the end of the valve. So what will end up happening then is your valve is stuck. And this is the new one I already installed, but you can see the valve stuck in there, but you wouldn't have this plastic tab sticking out. So you don't know what to do. How am I going to get that out? Well, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to totally disassemble your shower head. So I took it off, completely off the wall, took it apart, took the handheld sprayer off of it, and then unscrewed the nut that took the top off. So the valve would normally be sitting on the wall like this. This will allow you to access the back side, which you can see that valve is sticking through there. That's that long brass piece you see in the center. Then you can set this on your workbench, and especially now that that plastic tab, if that busted off, won't be sticking down quite as far. And I just took a small piece of wood and a small hammer and just tapped that brass piece you see in the center, and that will pop the valve loose. So you're able then to reinstall your new valve. Hopefully, American Standard gets their crap together and gets a permanent fix for this, because this is definitely getting old. This is an expensive shower head. You shouldn't have to be doing this every few months and waiting on shower valves, but especially tearing this completely apart to replace it. But yeah, so that's how you're going to fix that if you can't get it out in the first video, how I showed you in the first video. Hope that helps.